Hello. So here we will have a quick styling here. Let's click this. Let's start right away. Remove this comment. Then the background. Yes. Background. I think we don't need to modify the background. Let's leave that to the box shadow. I love box shadow, So copy this div. All we need to do is to create this rectangle here because we can do this in a box shadow because this is not the same shape as our box shadow. By the way, I'm planning this circle as base element and create a box shadow out of it. So this block here and a second box shadow that would represent the background. So this rectangle is not in my plan. So yeah, let's manually create this. So as rect. Oh, by the way, I just discovered this yesterday. You don't need a class name as a reference or a placeholder. You just need like this one, rect, an attribute. This is called an attribute with no value. Usually attributes has like this, double colon, what's this? Quotation marks and like that value. But this one, an attribute that has no values, and you can refer this element just by saying rect like that. Put it inside the square brackets, and then you can style it like this. Let me show you with 100 pixels height, 30 pixels with height. This is column. Oops, this is curly braces. What am I thinking? Okay, and then the color background blue. You see that? It's working without class. So instead of using class, we will gonna use an empty attribute for reference to get the element, as a selector here. But this is not recommended in when you create a website. This is just for this kind of scenario where we just style for fun, So let's continue. Let's put this rectangle in the center. Absolute margin auto tab inside 0 position. This is column and the color is black. This color and the size, let's make this bigger, and also this height. Wider. Let's check the div. So let's make this more wider. 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 seems good to me. And then the height. So 64, 65, 68. Wait, what's the matter? Okay, 650. 56. Okay, 54 seems fine. And yeah, remove this div. Okay. Like the height is really. Oh wait, the height here on the left side is thicker than the right side. You noticed? You see? See that? Or is it my imagination? Okay, let's make this thinner. So 50 maybe. Yeah, let's. Okay. This is weird. The left side is not equal to the right side. So yeah, this is not looking. This is really weird. Anyway, let's continue with this div. So let's create an empty attribute again. So this is circle, and select this to copy this as a selector here, like that. Don't forget to encapsulate it with the square brackets. And so we create we make this rounded, so border radius 50%, and then in the center put this, so these three lines here, and shift tab to structure, then adjust size, make this a bit bigger, maybe a 90 pixel. Okay, change the color to this yellow, the same as the background color, uncheck. Okay, looking good. Now let's create a box shadow. So there's no horizontal or vertical offset, there's no blur. We only need the color. The thickness of the box shadow is, for now, let's put 50 pixel. And then the color is this black here, this grayish thing. And yeah, that's it. Okay, looking good. Now let's create the second shadow. Okay, copy this, paste, tab to this to structure it, and then change the color to this background and make this occupy this whole, what's this, whole area here. So just enough to occupy the whole area. So 200 to 50. No way, buffet. This rectangle gets behind. Oh yeah, because the circle is on top of this rectangle, so our rectangle got natabunan siya. So saon to niya. Maybe let's yeah, let's use body selector for now. Body selector for the background color. Yeah, I think this black box shadow is just enough. So let's just use the body selector, because to save time. So background, like that. Yeah, It's just 3 lines, by the way. So, yeah. This is empty attribute. We don't use class or IDs to refer to this element. We just used an attribute. Submit. It's not perfect. 99.8. Okay. It's like a watch.